how to reset content preference on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also addicted to different types of content being shown and you want to remove them and then you need a fresh start, so in that case what you want to do is just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account, and now simply select this profile icon from the bottom right corner and just tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner. And once you're inside it, just scroll all the way down until you see the option called content preference under the what you see section. So simply tap on this, and from over here you can see there is option to reset your suggested content. So it will basically reset all of the content which you probably see on your explore page or for you page. So just tap on this and just click on next, and you can also actually get the option to unfollow the accounts from which you don't want to see any content, or just click on this reset suggested content from over here and just press on this button for finally. And once you do all of that, your content will be resetted just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.